We are in Canada, Saskatchewan. It's a bad weather, cloudy and so windy. See the tree? Yes, it's about Sunday 1:23 p.m. Okay, we're going in for a different vlogs for today. We're going to the Pet Balu. Let's go, Queen. Okay. After groceries at Dollarama. Okay, it's windy. Just bored in the house. So for now, just taking go ahead, Katie. Go. What's inside? Go, Katie. That's inside of the pet shop. Okay. The food, the dog, the cat, the house. Okay, so this is inside. I'm only curious. The bed sheet, wow, so smooth. So you baby dog, cat. So you can buy this for your favorite pet like this. The dog food, the dog cat. Okay. Nice. If you wanna take a shower of your pet, is here. Winnie, careful! You moving again like excited. Relax. Huh? Relax. Stay away. Stay away at the aisle, okay? Only in the middle. Different scissors. See, 29 to 16 bucks. See? Dirty doormat, foods, dogs. Okay. Different brush of the dog. Okay. This is the shower. It's test for phones only. I'm coming here because I'm curious. Even I have no pets. Okay. What's inside? What's the no, it's we call it canvassing. Yes, because expensive eh. So I need a cheap. Okay. They asking about the how to help me to buy something, but I have no something to buy because I have no pets. Just curious what's inside. Okay. See the bed though. smooth, Queenie. Cat? No pets here. We asking, Queenie. No problem. My friend, you have a guinea pigs here?
We do not, unfortunately.
So what's your available animal here? Pets?
The only thing we have,
Cat? Just a cat? So how much is that?
I believe the adoption fee is $150.
150?
Yeah.
Including the vaccination? The vaccination?
No.
Not included, only the ay,
So small.
that's Queenie. That's Queenie.
I like scary.
Okay.
There's any cats here?
120 Queenie.
Oh, so cute.
So my friend, what is breed is that?
What breed?
Yes.
I'm not
Persian?
sure.
Not Persian, right? Because short hair, eh. Right? There's a long hair, there's a short hair, right?
Yeah.
So which is the cheapest? The long hair or the short hair?
I'd say short hair, probably.
So what is breed is this?
I have no idea.
Oh.
Usually we have like a card here that says everything
Oh.
about them. But
So 120 only the pet.
what's that?
The 120 is only the pet, not included the vaccination or
Yeah.
oh, so almost estimated how much the cost.
I'm not 100% sure. I think I don't know. I really couldn't.
Including tax.
Including tax?
Yes. So 120 plus tax. So no vaccination. Just like that.
I think she might have her vaccinations. Like I said.
There's a
usually-
papers.
Yeah.
There's a papers.
Yeah.
If I buy this. 120. So we need it's like a handy bag.
Like
Or
a crate?
yes,
Yeah.
great house.
Like a, yeah.
That is the fixed price. 120. That's it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. I've never adopted a cat myself.
Oh. So you sell it also a dog here. Sometimes a dog or guinea pig.
Adoptions events?
So how much the cost if I buy here?
I'm not sure. You can also go down to the Esteban Humane Society.
Okay. Okay, we're going back next time. Relax, Queenie. Just observe. What's the best house if I buy a pet? A pet, Queenie.
My friends,
What
my
do you like,
friends
Queenie? Dog or cat?
have-
You like that?
Yeah, I can just take out the I can take out some water dog. And throw in the
But we need
collar.
the tie in the neck.
No, the collar.
Because if they open the door, always open the door at the house, they go out, they run away, and then your money is waste, okay? And the problem is the poop, Queenie. Different lotion. Hopefully, Queenie, huh? Or you want this, Queenie? Go.
Not a clothes.
Yes, that's a
Just
clothes.
some up.
Be complete like a human, Greenie. Like a human. Then you will buy a food, Greenie. See?
Yeah.
Satisfied, Greenie?
Uh-oh.
Different foods. See? Almost like a. Okay, let's go, Greenie. Good? Okay, playtime. All right, friend. Thank you. I'll be back. Okay, that's it for now. You want to go inside, Greenie? In the mall. Okay? Go to sport check, Greenie. Okay. Shortcut. Let's go. Let's go, Queenie. Not now. Huh? What happened?
The door, like,
Why you not use your power?
you want to close the door before he will.
Because you have no power. Use your power, Queenie, next time.
Oh no.
See? Is your hurt?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm just like,
Are you sure? Not hurt?
no, just touch me only.
Huh?
Touch me only. Didn't hit my
So that is squeezing your foot. Okay. It's windy day. It's windy day. See the tree? The mall, right? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's go, Queenie. Okay, see you guys. If we have lots of more videos to come, and click likes and subscribe for the notification bell, and what's else? For upcoming videos to come for this week or for until next week. Okay, this is mall in Esteban, Saskatchewan, Canada. It's windy and cloudy day. It's nice to go to window shopping or shopping in the groceries. See, so that's good. So hopefully you like this video. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Okay, see you guys. See you again.